For last many decades, the aviation, tourism and hospitality industry is known as one of the most rewarding and fastest growing industry. In my career of 35 years, I have seen many ups and downs like Ebola, SARS, 9/11 and many other things which has always hit this industry badly. But every time this industry has bounced back more strongly. And we know it is a matter of time right now that this industry is going to bounce back. Vistara Airlines have ordered 70 more new aircrafts. They are preparing for the boom that will come up as soon as this industry will bounce back to normal. Indigo Airlines is expecting 125 more new aircrafts which will be delivered in next few years because they are planning to expand their routes to every corner of the country. And do you know the airline have already started recruiting staff for the various jobs at the airport for cabin crew and various other posts? And you know Jet Airways is coming back and they are already advertised that they are looking for people now for the airport jobs, for the cabin crew and many other posts. Emirates have just announced that they are looking for 3,000 cabin crew recruitments and over 500 ground staff jobs for Dubai. Yesterday we had an advertisement from Indigo Airlines. They only allowed 24 hours to apply for the jobs that they have. My question from you is, are you ready to grab these opportunities which are coming up? If not, then start working on this from today. You can join one of our best virtual online course and start training yourself at the comfort of your own house and get the best training for yourself. You want to learn more about this? You can join our next webinar where we will be happy to share with you all the details of how you can start a career with the airline and tourism industry. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you there and helping you to start your journey of success. Bye-bye.